In this video, we'll be replacing the battery in a Nissan Versa key fob. You can change this thing at home. It's a really easy process, and all you'll need to get it done is one CR2025 battery and a flathead screwdriver. If you want to get one of these online, you can go check out that first link down in the description. That'll take you over to Amazon, where you can find these batteries for a great price. Now, coming over here to the key fob and looking at the bottom, you can see there is an opening right there in the key ring area. Put your flathead screwdriver in there and twist to open up the device. And then you can just pull it apart with your fingers, or if it's still a little bit stuck, you can kind of work your way down the opening, twisting until it comes apart easily. You can also do that with a coin in here. Just put the coin in and twist. Now I'm going to use the same tool to come over into the corner here where there's a little bit of space and push down to the bottom and pry the battery up and out. Now you can take your new CR2025 and make sure that the positive side is facing down when you put it in there. You'll just push it down, make sure that it sits flat, positive side down, and now we can just click the two halves of the device back together. There you go. I hope that helped you out. If it did, feel free to drop us a like or let me know down in the comments section. And if you ever need help with another one of your keys, we have you covered here on this YouTube channel, as well as over at our website, FobBattery.com.